What's up everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel guys. So yeah, I know it's been a little while since I uploaded videos on YouTube because I was a little busy with my academics and all those things, but here we are going to be uploading videos every week from today onwards, so stay tuned for that. Today's video we're talking about the Chrome OS Flex. The Google has released the Chrome OS Flex before some time, and what is it the Chrome OS actually useful? The actual use of Chrome OS is we all have some kind of a PC or a laptop which is very old and low end lying in the corner, which we don't use anymore, and it's kind of very bad because of the processing power, it is impossible to use the PC with the Windows installed on it. Actually, in this case, you can actually install the Chrome OS Flex on your device and your PC is gonna work very smoothly way before, and it's gonna perform like a smooth party like thing. So we'll be talking about how can you install the Chrome OS Flex on your device and how the Chrome OS Flex works very smoothly on your laptop. So without any more ado, let's get started. In today's video, we'll be installing the Chrome OS Flex on this Pentium processor Acer PC, and actually it was running on the Windows 10 and it's kind of very difficult to work on because it takes literally 50 minutes to actually load into Windows. It kind of sucks because it's kind of difficult to work on because of the laggy and all those things. So today we'll be installing the Chrome OS on this thing and let's see how it performs. For this process you only need one thing, that is actually a USB drive which is above 4 GB, from which we are going to be flashing the Chrome OS Flex into this USB drive, and after that we'll be installing it on our PC. Before starting the process, firstly we need to insert the pen drive into your existing device or a laptop, which I have this laptop over here, and I'm going to be inserting USB into this. And after that, let's go to this computer screen. So for downloading Chrome OS Flex on a PC is very simple. Go to your web browser and go to this particular website, which I'll put the link in the description. You can directly go and download from there, and it's kind of easy to download. And also after coming to this website, just scroll a little bit and you can see here the download options. There are 3 download options actually: the download now for Chrome OS Flex, and there is versions and download mirror one, and also the official Google link, which I have downloaded from this particular one. And I'm going to click on the official Google link and it will kind of take you to this dialog box, and you can see here you can actually rename or something like. I'm not renaming anymore. I just click on this thing and click on save at your destination file, and after that the Chrome OS Flex will start to download. Right here you can see here it's about 1 GB, so it's not a big size for this thing. So we will wait for the Chrome OS Flex to actually download. So guys, now the Chrome OS Flex ISO file has successfully downloaded, and now you have to go to this particular website which is called as the Balena HR and download the Balena HR software, which is kind of a flashing software for your PC. I have already discussed about this software in my previous videos. Just go to this website, the link will be provided in the description. You can go and download from there, and just click on download for Windows, and a software will be downloaded for your PC. I have already downloaded, so now downloading it again. So let's close here, and I'm going to install the software here. You can see the Balena HR. Just double click on it, and after that you will see a dialog box, and click on agree, and it will be installed on your PC. So guys, our software has successfully downloaded, and you can see here this is the Balena HR software, and here you can flash your ISO file into your USB drive. For this process you have to select the flash from file option which you have downloaded and go to the downloaded location for the Chrome OS Flex. In my case it is here. You click on this one and click on open, and now you can see the Chrome OS Flex ISO file here. And now you have to go to select target, and you click on your specific USB drive which you need to flash your Chrome OS Flex into. Click on OK and select, and now click on flash, and it will flash automatically, and it will take some time, and after that the Chrome OS Flex will be flashed into your USB drive. Let's click on flash, click on Alt S, and you can see here starting here. It's just gonna take some time, and after that finishing, it's gonna verify itself for any errors in this flashing and all these things. So see you guys after it's get finished. Finally the flashing has been finished, and now let's remove the USB. Also I have connected the CPU with the monitor, so let's plug the USB drive into the USB port of the PC, and after that just need to turn it on. And after turning it on, go to the BIOS settings, and after going to the BIOS settings you need to make some changes, like for example I have already changed it here. I will show you guys. Coming to the BIOS settings, you have to come here and set the operating system selection manual fast boot disabled, and here the boot mode selection legacy, and after that you just need to go to the security option, and you need to disable the secure boot option, and in the final option you can just save changes, and after saving the changes just come down and go to the cruiser blade, the USB drive that you inserted and the OS is installed. Just click on it. So guys, here you can see the Chrome OS Flex is loading. This is the startup screen of the Chrome OS Flex. You can see for you guys it will show differently because I have already installed the Chrome OS Flex on my device. So for you guys it will be asking to live boot from the USB itself, or maybe you just need to install it. So if you want to test before installing, you can just give the live boot option, and after testing all the things, and if you like it, then you can go back and click on the installation button. Here let me enter the password. And you can see it's loading, and this is the Chrome OS Flex. So this PC configuration is a 2 GB RAM PC with Pentium processor, and there is no extra GPU or something like that. Just an old PC, which like a normal PC. Now let's check it out. You can see it's very smooth. Before on this PC there was the Windows 10, and it was so laggy that it was pretty much impossible to use it. And you can see here everything is intact. You have the many options from Google, like YouTube, the Google Meet, files. You can see here this is the files menu, and you can see it's very smooth and very responsive. And the YouTube and Google Meet and Google Gmail and all those things, currently the network is not connected. And you can see various options like messages and Google Chats, slides, sheets, Google Drive, camera, and Spotify. And also you can install many more of this thing. You can have the web store right here. You can directly from here. And also it is told that Google is gonna be giving access to the Google Play Store from this thing, which means you can actually install Android apps on this thing. So that will be great. So and also talking about the navigation option, you can see the notification sums right here. You can see removal device detected, and here you can see not connected Wi-Fi and the screen capture, night light, nearby visibility. Just because it's running on the Android ecosystem, which means all the basic features like the nearby share and all those things works on this thing. And also brightness can be controlled from here, sound can be controlled, and also you can see print files. And here you are getting more options like this. And if you talk about settings, what are the things we get in the settings? If you go to settings, you can see you got all those things like the Android thing have the network,
Bluetooth, connected devices, accounts, devices, personalization, search and assistance, security and apps, and also may have advanced options, so you can actually connect to printers and also developer options. All those things are in this thing. You can see is the Linux development environment. You can turn it on, which means you can basically use Linux tools on this thing. So that's kind of cool, and you can see all the features that you actually needed is available in this thing. So this is how Chrome OS Flex works. So it's a kind of short video for you guys, because there are many laptops running around in your house which is not having a purpose. Actually, if you install Chrome OS Flex on your device, then you can actually perfectly make it more better. And even if your children are going to schools and all those things, you can give them this laptop and they can have a chance to study from the laptop, because most of the schools are using the Chrome OS as the platform OS. So that's pretty much all in today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to my channel, a sub to channel will be awesome, and also turn on the bell icon near it. And if you want to share this video with your friends, then you can share this video with your friends. It will be helpful for them also. So that's pretty much all today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.